Hi friends, hope you all doing great. Please watch and subscribe our YouTube channel Watermelon. Today we will share you a simple and healthy lemongrass tea recipe. Ingredients for making 2 glass of this simple and healthy tea are: tea powder, little bit more than 1/4 spoon, lemongrass, 3 leaves, sugar, 1½ spoon or as per your wish, 1 piece of lemon, mint leaves, 5 leaves according to the quality and smell you like. Now I hope you all are ready with ingredients. Let's put water on tea pan and boil water with 3 lemongrass leaves. Add the required amount of tea powder and keep it for a minute. Add sugar as per your taste. And squeeze lemon juice into it. Here are some benefits of lemongrass tea. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe us.
Watermelon.